In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix EA app crashing on PC Steam. If the EA app keeps crashing while you're trying to launch or play a game through Steam, don't worry. In many cases, the problem can be resolved with a few simple troubleshooting steps built right into Steam. These methods help repair damaged game files and clear temporary data that could be interfering with the EA app. Let's go through the process from start to finish. Begin by opening the Steam application on your PC. Make sure you're signed in to your Steam account before continuing. If you have trouble signing in, first check that your internet connection is stable, then verify that you're entering the correct account information. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll arrive at the main Steam dashboard. Next, select the Library tab located near the top of the Steam window. This section contains all the games associated with your Steam account, including both currently available games and those already on your computer. Browse through the list and locate the game that's experiencing the crashing issue. Once you've found the game, right-click its name to open the context menu, then select Properties. This opens a dedicated settings window where you can manage different options for that specific game. Inside the Properties window, click on the Installed Files section. Here you'll find the Verify Integrity of Game Files option. Select it and allow Steam to complete the verification process. This scan checks every game file for missing or corrupted data and automatically replaces anything that isn't working correctly. Depending on the size of the game, this process may take several minutes, so allow it to finish without interruption. After the verification is complete, return to the main Steam window. Click the Steam menu in the upper left corner, then choose Settings. In the Settings window, open the Download section. Here you'll find the option to clear cache. Select it and confirm when prompted. Clearing the download cache removes temporary files that may have become corrupted over time and could be contributing to the EA app crashing. After clearing the cache, Steam will ask you to sign it in again, so simply log back into your account and continue. Once you've completed these steps, try launching your EA game through Steam again. In many cases, verifying the game files and clearing the Steam cache is enough to eliminate crashes and restore normal performance. If the issue continues, your next step should be contacting EA support or Steam support for additional troubleshooting. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.